In this Rock Like the Pros 10-day beginning challenge and technique video, we're going to be focusing on the index and the third finger. Welcome to Rock Like the Pros. I'm Terry Carter, and congratulations for taking part of this challenge and making a commitment to yourself to become a better guitar player, one that can play faster, more accurately, smoother, with more strength and dexterity in their hands. These are also great warm-up exercises as well as good ear training as well. If you want to have a chance to win the Cordoba, that's right, Cordoba Protege C1 guitar, you got to do a few things. First, you got to subscribe right here to Rock Like the Pros. Head on over to the Cordoba YouTube channel. Make sure to subscribe over there as well. Leave a comment, smash the like button in these videos to engage and be part of this Rock Like the Pros nation that we have. And then you have to post at least one video over at the Rock Like the Pros forum. That's a free forum. The more videos you post, the more chances you have to win. Cordoba now has gone out on a limb, and they actually donated a second guitar for the VIPs. So the VIPs are going to get a chance to win the Cordoba EB-CE. That's a Mini 2 guitar. Those are really cool because they have a solid spruce top, cutaway, and a pickup. But as a VIP, you also get access to all the PDFs, the tabs, the backing tracks, slow, medium, fast, extended backing track, so you can work all the way up and down the neck. You also get access to the private Zoom calls with me, lifetime access to all this material as well. So become a VIP. We'll put a link of that below. All right, you want to dive into this? I know you do. Before we do, if you liking this challenge, if you're liking these ideas and you want to continue to build upon these, after this beginning challenge, we're going to do an intermediate challenge, like a level 2. We're going to put an early bird special link below so you can go sign up for that. All right, let me show you exactly what we're going to be learning. You're going to notice this is exactly the same exercise that we did previously, except in using 1 and 2 like we did before, we're going to be using 1 and 3. So the first finger and the third finger. You're also going to notice I have a new guitar. I decided to bring out my Guild Jumbo acoustic here for this video. So you can see that you can do these on electric, you can do these on steel string, you can do these on nylon string. So any guitar will work for this challenge. And I'm also going to be using a pick for this one. If you need a pick or you need any accessories for your guitar, make sure to check out store.ukulekethepros.com, the #1 online store for all your musical needs. All right, here we go. So we're going to start right here on the first string, first fret. Then we're going to jump to the third fret with our third finger. Notice you want to keep that first finger down. You don't got to lift it up. Then we're just going to go to the second string. Same thing, third fret, next string, next string, next string, and then the sixth string. Now when I'm using a pick, I'm doing a down-up alternating picking. If you want to use your thumb or even alternate between your index and middle finger, you can do that as well. Now we just finished up here on the sixth string, and then when we get here, we're just going to slide it up to the second fret, and then the fourth fret. Go down the string, and the frets are 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Now we get here, we're going to slide up to the third fret. Now third fret, fifth fret, still the same fingers though. First and third fingers. Just nice and slow, nice and even. Then here we're going to slide up to the fourth fret. And we got one more here, fifth fret. Nice and smooth. Nice and clean. Do not overlook this video, okay? Do not overlook these. They seem simple, but when you get in with a backing track, you got to lock in with the backing track, and you want to make sure you're getting all those notes nice and clean and crisp, and you're not actually bringing your fingers off the fretboard too much, so you have a nice technique as well. So there's a lot of things to benefit from a lesson that may seem simple from the top. All right, are you ready? Because we're going to do it now with the backing track. We're going to go all the way up to the 5th fret, which we just did. So let's see how we do. 1, 2, 3, 4. How did you do on that one? Leave a comment below. 1 to 5, 1 meaning you need more work, 5 meaning you crushed it. Don't forget, if you want the tab to these as well as those backing tracks, you got to become a VIP. You get the slow, medium, which that was the medium backing track, 120, and the fast backing track. And then you get the longer backing tracks too, so you can actually practice these up and down the neck as well. So great job on this. Again, do not take these for granted. They may seem simple, but there's so many little details that you can work on, your technique and your speed and the clarity of each note that will help you as you play your solos, your scales, your songs, whatever. It's all going to help all of your guitar playing. All right, make sure to post a video over at the Rock Like the Pros forum. And then one last thing here, one special thing that you may not know about, but over at rocklikethepros.com, the premium membership. That premium membership is going to give you access to all the courses we have posted, and we constantly putting out new courses as well as the live Q&As that we do with myself and all the premium members. So make sure to check that out, rocklikethepros.com. All right, that's going to do it for this one. Great job. Keep it up. Keep working. We got a long way to go.